Indices today traded sharply bearish. We have seen all the three S&P, Nasdaq, and Dow trading bearish here. But on the downside, the support so far has played out very well. Can we expect indices to reverse today again? Can we expect a rise from here? Or with the rising uncertainty, we can expect a continuation of the down move here. What should be our strategy in order to profit trading the S&P 500, Nasdaq 100, and Dow Jones today? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you twice a day updates for the US indices, so that you can not only trade the spot market but also the US futures with the Asia and Europe session. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first. We look into S&P, followed with Nasdaq, then Dow. Watch till the end. See S&P on the early charts after forming a good support. See, one thing is pretty important. It has to trade below 5980, 5978 in order to confirm further bearishness. Now see what's happening. It is aspired to move higher. It is yet struggled to break beyond 6020. 6020 is the only level beyond which we can expect slight bullishness to prevail today. Till 6020 is not taken, it is not yet to be treated bullish. Notice another thing here. Look at this. Look at this. This is delivering higher lows and higher highs. A move beyond 6040, 6050 is a clear sign of a reversal here. In fact, today if you see it is staying beyond 6010, 6012, you can expect a rise towards 6020, and then beyond that more bullishness should prevail. Stochastic rising here. The MACD has retraced. The RSI is looking upwards. On the 2-hour charts, and you see the moving averages have started to on the 2-hour chart, see it is retraced sharp, now trying to break out, trying to bounce back here. If you see it is staying beyond 6010, you can expect it to move towards 6020, and a move beyond 6020 should confirm another round of rise towards 6032, 6040, and 6050. Moving average is flat here. Stochastic trying to rise while the MACD has crossed over for a sell. Now this is the only sign which is not supportive of further rise. RSI is placed comfortably. Look at 3-hour charts. What's happening on the 3-hour charts? Diminishing bearishness, reversal, lower highs are seen. So once it trades beyond 6010, more bullishness should prevail. That is pretty clear. And if it trades beyond 6020, that could cause, or that could invite more bulls here towards 6032, 6040, and 6050 levels. Till 6050, it has got greater resistances. Keep a note of this. Moving average is running flat. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD crossing over for sell, the RSI is staying flat. On the 4-hour, similar observation here on the 4-hour chart seen. Notice lower highs are seen. It could deliver lower lows. The third bearish candle may appear where the prices could move towards 5980 level. Right now we can see a struggle here. Definitely there is a struggle on the upside as well. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD is willing to cross over for the RSI is staying flat. Coming to daily chart. Now see on the daily charts what has happened. Prices have retraced towards 20 period. It has definitely got a stronger support from the 20 period. Now since then what has happened, higher lows are seen, so it can potentially show you swings, and that is what we can expect today. That with the highs limited at around 6040, 6050, while the lows limited around 5980, 5960 zone, prices might try to stay or struggle in this zone today. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trading with moderate bearishness while the RSI is staying flat. So looking at the, you can buy S&P today at 6010. When you see the lower price above 6010, expect it to move towards 6020 first target zone, 6032 the next, and 6040, 42 the fourth. Beyond that 6050 should be seen. So till 6050 we can say every 10 points there is a greater resistance. Beyond 6050 more bullishness should prevail. That is pretty clear, which could take it towards 60, 65, 60, 78, 6100, chances of which appears to be less. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 5994, where you can expect 5984, 5980 at the first target zone. Below 5980, this time we should expect 5960, 5948, 5935, 5920. Below 5920, a crash should start. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq 100. Now Tech 100 on the early chart. See what has happened here. After this great dip, it has tried to retrace, then again a dip. It is definitely taking a support, and there are greater supports available towards 21760, 21700 zone, which should be a greater support, and the resistance on the upside from 21840, 860 is also equally strong. So I'll say you have to wait still for US 30 to US 100 to break beyond 21860, 880 zone in order to confirm further bullishness. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD is trading bearish. The RSI is flat. On the 2-hour charts, you can see lower highs are seen. This could still continue on the downside. Let's wait and watch. If it drops below 21747, we can expect 21700, 21660, and 21600. Till 21600, it has got very good support. Stochastic flat. The MACD just crossed over for a sell. and the RSI is also staying flat. On the 3 hour chart, see, first of all, look at the downside. The support here is getting stronger till towards 21,760, 740. Diminishing bearishness, it could show you a bounce back. But I'll say till 21,880, 900 zone is not taken, you have to be cautious. And in fact, I'll say till 22,000 levels, the Tech 100 has got very strong resistance here. Notice after the drop, though it is moved towards the top, but again 22,000 is offering a very very good resistance. So let's wait for it to break beyond. The moving averages have crossed over. These are trading bullish. When you see the stock IC, this is dropped here. The MACD is in green. The RSI is staying flat. On the 4 hour charts, when you see on the 4 hour charts, there is only one worry, that it is delivering lower highs. Thus, it is pretty important for US 100 to break beyond 21,840, 860 and then 21,880 levels here. If these levels are taken, more bullishness should prevail, and then beyond that 21,920, 21,970, 980 should be there as the next targets. Moving average is running flat. Stock IC has dropped sharp. The MACD is in green. The RSI is flat. Coming to daily charts, when you see the daily chart, we can see what has happened so far. See, it has taken the support from 20 period. With that as support, we have seen this rise. On the upside till 22,000, greater resistances are available. Notice these candles here. We have seen none of the candles closing above 21,900 here for last 4 sessions. And now I'll wait if it tries to break beyond 22,000. That is the level beyond which more bullishness should confirm. Stochastic rising, the MACD is still trading bearish, the RSI is flat. So considering this, the buying entry today in Tech 100 is about 21,840, 860. You can buy 21,840, expect 21,860, 880. And if that is taken, then 21,920 and 21,970, 980. If these levels are taken, stay bullish for 22,050, 22,120, 130 and 22,180, 200. This is also possible. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. On the downside, take a selling entry at 21,760 levels. Expect 21,700, 2,700 as the first target, 21,660 and 21,600 as the next targets. Below 21,600, more bearishness should prevail here. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones and see how easily under a few minutes we have analyzed the complete charts. We have arrived at the. You can also learn this art of trading. Join my mentorship batch. The 33rd mentorship batch is scheduled now for 30th of June. Do not miss to register for it. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. Those looking forward to it, just trade as per the signals. Be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And once you have your trades in place, it is important for you to have a place to trade as well. The trusted partner link is there in the channel and video description. It offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. Join today and enjoy your trading. Now see the hourly charts for yesterday. It has got the support at 42,200. With the support, it is trying to break out. I'll wait for it to now stay beyond 42,420 levels, which will confirm the next move towards 42,525.40 zone. And if that is taken, 42,600 is a must. Breaking beyond 42,600, we can say this is a reversal. Till 42,600, we have to be cautious with the buys. Beyond 42,600, you can expect 42,710 and 42,800 as the next target. Stochastic rising, the MACD has seen a good retracement, now trying to converge crossover for a buy. The RSI is showing a little up move. On the 2 hour charts, and you see, notice diminishing bearishness, fun bullish candle. It appears it might aim towards 42,400. And once 42,400, 420 is taken, more bullishness should prevail. Stochastic rising, the MACD is almost flat. The RSI is showing signs of bullishness. On the 3 hour, similar is the observation on the 3 hour charts, taking the support, trying to break out. I'll wait for 42,400, 420 to be taken in order to confirm further rise, and specifically beyond 42,600, you can expect a reversal. Stochastic hitting the bottom, trying to bounce back. MACD is also trading bullish. The RSI is showing a little up more. On the 4 hour charts, only worry point is the 3 bearish candles here with lower highs, lower lows. That's pretty important for USD to trade beyond 42,400, 420, which will confirm the rise. See, notice drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. It could again retrace towards the zone here, which is very very critical for it to break 42,800, 43,000. Stock as coming to daily charts. Now see the daily charts here. First of all, it has delivered higher lows. It has failed to break below yesterday's low and now trying to recover. And if you see it is staying beyond 42,500, 600 zone, potentially we can expect it to move towards 42,700. 10, and if that is taken, then it may fall towards this zone, that is 42,800, 43,000 zone. The stochastic at bottom here, MACD trading slightly bearish. The RSI is flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 42,360 levels. Expect 42,410, 42,500, 42. 560, 610, and if 610 is taken, then 42, 710, 720, 42, 800 should be there. Beyond that, sky is the limit on the upside. The strong bullishness appears not prevailing here. On the downside, the selling entry to be at now 42, 240, expect 42, 180, then 42, 100, and then 42,000. If any point of time today 42,000 is taken, stay short. Stay short for a greater drop towards 41,800, which is a greater milestone for US30 to break below. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates.